Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to convert a PDF to editable DWG in AutoCAD using the easy method. This is a great way to bring old paper layouts into your current setup session so you can click, move, and edit every single line yourself. Step 1. Open a fresh sheet and choose the PDF Loader tool. The first step is to start with a blank screen canvas and look up at your top menu row to open the tool that imports outside digital papers. Click once on your top file menu to open a clean new project workspace. Move your mouse pointer up to the top tab bar, click on the word Insert, and locate the button that says PDF Import. Click the button once, select the paper document you want to change from your computer's storage folders, and press the Open key. Because you need to tell the main software engine to get ready to translate a different file type into its own language. Opening this tool ensures that the software builds a bridge between your stored document and your active workspace canvas. Without this step, your computer will only let you view the sheet as a flat, unclickable picture instead of live pieces. Step 2. Turn on the line conversion settings. Next, you need to check the small preference boxes inside the pop-up panel to make sure the software turns the vector lines from your file into separate clickable shapes, instead of keeping them lumped together. Look at the large options window that appears in the middle of your screen view, find the checklist section on the left side, and make sure the box next to Vector Geometry is checked with a small checkmark. Ensure the box labeled Solid Fills is also checked if your drawing contains filled dark zones or thick solid walls, because if you leave these matching checkboxes empty, the software will just paste your paper file as a giant uneditable background image. Checking the vector row tells the program engine to actively slice through the document and build real digital lines right where the ink paths used to sit. It guarantees that your final background shapes are fully unlocked and ready for changes. Step 3. Transform your text fonts into true typing fields. Now you need to make sure the program transforms the static printed letters on your paper sheet into actual text notes that you can double-click and change using your keyboard. Move your eyes down to the middle section of that same setup pane, locate the setting row that says True Type Text, and ensure its checkbox is turned on. Because letters inside standard document files are often saved as tiny separate line drawings instead of real alphabet characters. If the system does not translate them properly, you will not be able to fix simple spelling mistakes or change layout dimensions easily later on. Checking this choice opens a straight data path that lets the computer memory card recognize text blocks correctly. And that's it. To convert a PDF to editable DWG in AutoCAD, you must first go to the Insert tab and click PDF Import to locate your saved file. Then you look at the Options window on your screen canvas rows and turn on the checkboxes for Vector Geometry and True Type Text. Next, you ensure your basic layout units look correct in the middle checklist row. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.